learning opposite words. Tell me the pairs of opposite word.
Big, small.
Very good. Repeat.
Big, small.
Big, small. Next. Second.
New, old.
Very good. New, old. Third.
Pretty, ugly.
Very good. Pretty. And opposite word is ugly. Very good. Next.
Rough, smooth.
Rough. Very good. Rough and opposite word is smooth. Very good. Next.
Fast, slow.
Fast and slow. Fast, opposite word is slow. Very good. Next.
Soft, hard.
Soft, hard. Soft and opposite word is hard. Okay, very good. Next. Tall, short. Very good. Next.
Young, old.
Young, old. Very good. Young, old. Next.
Hot, cold.
Hot and cold. Very good. Next.
Clean, dirty.
Very good. Clean and opposite word is dirty. Very good. Next.
Wet, dry.
Wet,
dry.
Opposite word is dry. Very good.
Strong, weak.
And opposite is weak. Very good. Now tell me the sentences using these opposite words. Big, small. Tell me a sentence.
Big, small.
Tell a sentence. Use these words in a sentence.
Elephant is big. Cat is small.
Very good. Clap for him. Next.
Book is new. Notebook is old.
Very good. Next. Pretty and ugly.
The pretty is boy. The girl is ugly.
Very good. Rough and smooth.
Wall is rough, but blackboard is smooth.
Very good. Fast and slow.
Rabbit is fast and is slow.
Very good. Soft and hard.
The duster is soft, but table is hard.
Very good.
Pushpa is tall, Arush is short.
Very good. Young and old. Tell me the sentence. Young and old.
Mother is young, but grandmother is old.
Very good. Sit down. Hot and cold.
He is old,
Hot.
hot.
Say the sentence. Repeat the sentence.
The puppy is hot, but the ice cream is hot.
Very good.
The car is clean, but the bike is dirty.
Very good. Wet and dry.
The shirt is wet, but pant is dry.
Very good. Strong and weak.
Rajveer is strong, weak is Arush.
No. Rajveer is strong, but Arush is weak. Say the sentence again.
Strong. Rajveer is strong,
But
but Arush is weak.
very good. Okay. Do you understand this?